vocabulary? Of course you know, yeah? In this video, I will show you how to practice vocabulary using the media of teaching. Please move the camera. The media that I will use is this the vocabulary cards. There's so many category of cards in here. I will use this for practicing vocabulary English to my student. How to use this card? To using this card, I will take a two method that I have a think about that before. And I will take the concept learning while playing. Why you take that concept? Why? Too many reasons, I guess. But one of the reasons is to make my students don't get bored when they learning English. That is one of the reasons. For the first method, there is a game. There is a quiz. I call that a quiz on the head. Are you curious about that method? Let's see. First session. In our class, we will play the games. This is a guessing games. Listen up. Okay, now we play the game. In this game, I will choose one of the category in here. Then I will showing the picture in your head. I will showing the picture, and you with the picture guess what is the picture in the card. Okay? And you just can say yes or no. For example, I will say the clue of this card. Blah 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 is cold. And then you say the clue 5 words, but one per one. Okay? Okay, let's try.
Sweet. Yes. Vanilla. Yes. Long. No. Hot. No. Corn. Yes.
Yeah, answer that.
Ice cream. Yes.
The right points will be written on the whiteboard. Right. Okay. The game will play in 4 rounds. Now I will using the one category in here. House. The first category is house. I will choose card. This is. Blah 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 blah. Lights of the dark.
Small. Yes. Yellow. Yes. Big. Long. No. Lamb.
Yes, that's right. winner is Ziva. Yay! Give applause. That is fun, right? What do you think? I think that method can using for teaching in your class. Make the student don't get bored, and they can practice vocabulary too with critical thinking. And how about second method? I call second method as a guessing game. They will stand in the middle of the card. Then I will say the clue for they are picking. Before they picking, they must spin around 3 times. Then the first pick of the picture card, that is the win. That is the winner. Let's see the second method. Okay, I will just in the 2 category, and I will say the clue. Then you turn around 3 times. Then pick the right card. Okay. Let's begin. I have a sweet taste, and the color is chocolate. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Go. Sweet taste. Yeah. Now, how many cereal have the cards?
4.
4. And for Ziva?
2.
2 cards. Oh, this is the winner. Cereal is the winner. Yeah, give an applause. Okay, the present you will get present from Ziva. That is more fun, I guess. So the conclusion is, you can use the media of teaching for fun and enjoy, to make your student don't get bored with the English material. Just do this sometimes. I think that is enough from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.